Alright, let's cut through the hype. Have you seen those little blue gadgets claiming to slash your fuel bills by 30% just by plugging them into your car's lighter socket? I'm talking about the NeoSocket Fuel Saver, sometimes called Fuel Shark, EcoTune, or F-Fuel. Sounds like magic, right? But here's what you really need to know. First up, the science just doesn't add up. Pop one open, and all you'll usually find is a tiny capacitor and maybe a blinking LED. That's it. While a capacitor can store a tiny bit of electricity, it's nowhere near enough to boost your MPG or help your engine run smoother. Independent tests and car experts agree, these gadgets have zero measurable impact on fuel efficiency, emissions, or horsepower. In fact, the energy used to power the NeoSocket actually comes from your engine, so at best, it's a wash. Think about it. If a $20 plug-in could get you 10, 20, even 30% better gas mileage, automakers would have built it in decades ago. Instead, you'll only see these devices on late-night infomercials and sketchy websites, not in your new car's tech package. Marketing claims like proven to save fuel, stabilizes voltage, and reduces emissions. All smoke and mirrors. Modern cars already have advanced systems to manage voltage and maximize efficiency. A cheap add-on won't outsmart billions in automotive R&D. So, how can you actually save fuel? It's simple. Keep your tires properly inflated, service your engine regularly, drive smoothly, and don't haul around unnecessary weight. Those tips are proven. No gadgets required. Bottom line? Don't fall for the NeoSocket or any plug-in miracle. Save your cash, trust the science, and stick to real-world solutions for better mileage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest car reviews and tips.